Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here, down here in Birmingham. We're continuing our tour of looking at clients' properties. If you remember, I did a video on this a couple of weeks ago about black mold everywhere. This is the same house. Our contracting crew just finished it up. Let's check it out. So guys, this house is unrecognizable. It's phenomenal, okay? One of the first things you notice when you walk in, all new carpets throughout the entire home. Place looks great, smells great. We did new paint, we did new carpets, we did a new roof, we did new windows. The place is phenomenal. Okay, I'm super excited. So that was kind of an old grungy mudroom. Now, it's a bonus room, playroom for the kids, mudroom. It's everything you want it to be, okay? So come on in here. Now, if you guys remember, this was the living room, and there was disgusting mold all over here. There was a window over here. We've gotten rid of that window. We've remediated all the mold. We've repainted the whole room. Brand new beautiful carpets down in here as well. Guys, the whole house has been carpeted. It's a big house, a lot of square footage. We've done new light fixtures. We've done just about everything we could do, we've done in this place. Right here we have a kind of a formal dining room, another bonus room, whatever the tenant wants to do in here. And it's a really good size in here too. It just smells so good. All the mold has been remediated in the entire home. Our contracting crew was in and out of here so quick, and they really transformed this thing. So guys, one of the only places we really didn't touch is the kitchen. The kitchen it turned out was in really good shape. We have a cleaning lady coming in this week. Our cleaning crew is going to come in here. They're going to clean up this whole kitchen. We're going to do some touch-up work on the cabinets. The countertops are in great shape. We've done a little plumbing work in here. We've done a tiny bit of electrical work. Everything is in really, really good shape in here. Just needs some brand new appliances. But as far as flooring goes and everything in here, it's really good. So guys, working this way, if you remember, this bathroom had an awful mold issue on the ceiling. That is no longer the case. There's no mold. We've done a new vent in here. We've done a bunch of touch-up work in here. We've cleaned it. This bathroom is perfect. It's clean, it's nice, it's a good size. So we're excited about that. Coming down this way, guys, again, all new carpets throughout the whole house. If you remember from our older video, we had a gross floor in this room. All of this stuff needed touch-up work. We've done touch-up work, we've done new paint, and of course, we have this beautiful new carpet floor. I talked about this, which I love. Kind of this built-in bookcase, bookshelf for kids. This will be a great kids room as well. But I just can't tell you, I love the smell of new carpet. I always have. And when you take carpet and you put it in a home like this, you change the dynamics of the home. You make a home a lot more comfortable, a lot more, it seems a lot more homey when you put carpet in. And I know there are a lot of issues with carpet, right? You're changing carpet more often, but getting people in the house, and with Section 8 tenants, you're not changing carpet as much because the average life of your Section 8 tenant is longer. So if I was going to do a carpet in a high turnover property, I wouldn't do it because it wouldn't make sense because I'd have to continually change out carpet. But when you have tenants that stay in a property for 5, 10, 15 years, you're not going to have to change it out as much. So when you put carpet in, you get a tenant in quicker because, oh my gosh, it feels amazing, it's soft. Kids love carpet, okay? And you're not changing it as much. It's cheaper than putting laminate down. It's cheaper than a lot of other alternatives, for sanding and refinishing hardwoods. It's a good way to go. I know, carpets have a bad rep in the industry, but in cases like this, I absolutely love carpet, okay? So again, we painted, we got rid of all the mold in this room, all new carpets in here as well. Our carpet guy, took him a day and a half to do this entire house, and he did a phenomenal job, okay? Now guys, you remember how big this house is, all right? And this house is going to be a 4-bedroom at least, okay? We have a lot of options with this house, all right? We considered adding another bedroom to the front of the house, doing a 5-bedroom. It's gonna be a Section 8 rental, so we're gonna do a 4-bedroom Section 8 rental, and this is how we're gonna do it. So we just saw the first 2 bedrooms, okay? Now you have bedroom number 3 right here, okay? We remediated mold in this room as well. We painted here, all new carpets in here as well. And then this room, which we, if you guys remember from that original video, didn't qualify as a bedroom, right? It had a closet, which we have right there, okay? But it didn't have an operating window, okay? So what we did was, aside from carpeting this whole room, we put in a brand new window right here, okay? So literally we put a brand new window in. And it has another egress, okay? So it has a door that you're standing in, it has a door to the back, to out back with a deadbolt lock on it. It has a closet, it has a brand new window, it has another window so you're getting plenty of light in here. It has its own entrance, okay? So this is a really kick-ass bedroom in the back of the house. This is our 4th bedroom. We're super excited about this. And this will add a ton of value. You guys talk about fair market rent for Section 8 rental properties. And we'll go from fair market rent for a 3-bedroom of between $1,100 and $1,300 to 4 bedrooms, which is upwards of $1,500. So an investment that will make its money back in spades. We also put a new roof on this house, which I discussed earlier, and the roof was in bad shape. There was a tree that had fallen on the roof, and there was some water damage in here. So one of the last things we're doing in this house before we're done with it is there's still some stains. We hit it earlier with some stuff to get rid of some of those stains, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna repaint over this, and that's pretty much the last thing we're doing, guys. You know, we'll put a mat down and we'll repaint. We had to get the carpet. Usually what we'll do is we'll paint before we get the carpet in, but we had to get the carpet guy in here. He's been super busy. So we got him in here, did the whole house. We'll hit that with paint. Our contracting crew will be completely done. This is supposed to be cleaned. As I'm doing this video, our cleaning crew will be in here tomorrow, and it will be in the management company's hands the day after tomorrow. So our crew has been in and out of here, guys, in under 3 weeks, which is just unheard of, you know, as far as time goes. So, guys, I'm totally thrilled with this. This thing really did come out incredible. I want you to go back and look at that first video we did where there was no electricity, where there was awful mold everywhere. Couldn't even breathe in the house, couldn't even be in here for a long time. The floors were disgusting, the walls were disgusting. It needed paint, it needed tons of remediation. Our crew did such a terrific job in such a short amount of time. Just in doing what they did, that will totally turn this property into an absolute home run. So you see, just in general, with the added light that's in here, with the new paint, with the new flooring, we did new outlet covers, right? So everything we're doing is gonna get a tenant in here faster, and our client will see a definite return on investment. The client in this, guys, lives in New Jersey, and you know, being from New Jersey, where the average acquisition cost of a property is almost $500,000, to come down to Birmingham, the acquisition cost on this was 50-odd thousand, and this house needed about 20 to get it up and running. So to be all in for around $70,000 is pretty phenomenal. And I dare you guys to do something similar. If that's something that you want, don't be afraid. Hit me in the email. Hit my email, it's down below. Shoot me an email. We'll get you set up with something like this. It's not that hard. The hardest part of doing this, guys, is just sending that first email and doing it, okay? So I dare you, send me an email. Let's get you something like this. This is gonna be a terrific investment. People have already been stopping, and our contracting crews have told me that they've stopped, 3 or 4 people a day for the last 2 weeks have stopped asking, when's this thing gonna be done? when can we get in there? And that's a really good feeling as an investor, knowing that people are knocking down the door to get into your unit. So guys, leave your questions, comments below. I'll read every single one and get back to all of you, and we'll see you next time.